This is a story about wood. Wood in all its diversity and all its lusciousness and all its grain and texture. This is a story about boats in all their variety and about the men who make them, toiling away in sheds on winter's night and waiting for those summer days when they can launch them and enjoy them in the water. It's a story about men wanting to do real things in a digital age, trying to make something that's worth looking at. How many days can you look at a beautifully crafted piece of wood and say, I made that? It's happening less and less in this digital world, and I think people are looking to find more things that they can do that really give them some satisfaction. We've gathered together the stories of 4 men from Wadestown and Wellington who've embarked on projects and cut the wood and trimmed it and painted it and varnished it and made a beautiful thing.
Well, I was interested in doing a bit of boat building, and I thought I'd build something for the yacht I co-own. I have a share in a 39-foot sloop, and I saw a picture of these Chesapeake-like boat company boats, and they looked very pretty. So I sent off for a kit to the agent up in Warkworth and got down here and started building. I really enjoyed just watching the boat take shape, and it takes shape quite quickly. The stitch and glue technique that you use for building these prams is relatively simple to use, but you just prop the boat up on a couple of wooden horses and start off with the first piece and then just build it up step by step, and it comes together quite quickly. You get the shape of the boat really within a few hours. But then it takes a hell of a long time to finish it off and get it looking anywhere neat and tidy. I think it's an extremely pretty boat. I like the combination of the paint and the varnish. It's probably completely impractical, but I've had it in the water now and it rows beautifully. It's just a very, very light, nice light boat to row. So it looks good and it handles very well.
These used to be called retirement projects because of the uncountable, unbillable hours that they consume. But we're making more time for them now in our working lives because retirement's a dying concept. And if we ever get there, we'll probably need a boat.
Good boy.